Ladies and gentlemen, all of the world, it's my boy cooking time. First thing you're gonna need is beer. You're gonna need some meat, you know, like Drew. He's got about 3 pounds package. Anyways, you want to have 3 pounds of meat. You want to have some bacon. You want to have some green beans. You can get frozen like what we got, save a little bit of money and time consumption, all that. And you're going to need your meat. Sausage meat.
Hey, wait a minute. What's this?
I don't know.
Should we flip it?
Tomatoes, cilantro, bell peppers.
Well,
Yeah, that's yes,
You might need to switch that switch back off.
Let's get started. Okay, so you have your Roman tomatoes. You want to go ahead and have 4 of them. Slice them up into cubes. Get your cilantro. You want to have a whole bunch. Take half of that bunch. Chop it up finely.
Wait a minute. Girl.
And then what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and add this into our cilantro mix. Mix it up. Now, it's time to add a little bit of salt. So we'll add some salt. Use as much as your likings that you would use, of course. Mix it up. And you're set for. And you'll do this for the next step as well for the rest of the tomatoes. If you need to use any more cilantro, go ahead. That is fine. That's what we're going to do probably. And then we're going to add this all into our meat mixture with sausage. And anyways, now it's time to add your meat. 3 pounds, if you know what I'm saying, into your pan. We're going to have it on a level 6. And we're going to pop that meat in there.
He's touching my meat.
Now after this, what you're going to do is grab something to chop it up finely while it is cooking.
Spatula City!
Spatula. Brought to you by Spatula City. So go ahead and just chop it up. Ground chuck is what we're using. You can buy it in a package from the local store. It's pretty good. And then we're going to add our seasonings after it's all... pretty much add our seasonings when we're getting done, when the browning begins.
You said brown.
You racist. So after you add your meat, it's time to add your sausage. We've got a, what is this? 1 pound. 1 pound of sausage. Add that into your meat. Okay, so after about 10-15 minutes, you will have it on a level 6, medium-high heat. You want to add your salt and pepper, just to your likings. And mix it all around. Add a little bit of garlic, salt to it. Which one? course, add some Cavenders to it. Okay, so you got your Cavenders in there. And add some Italian seasoning. Same as before, use to your likings. Okay, so have your heat on a 6 or 7 medium-high heat. Have your bacon chopped up nice and thin. You want to go ahead and add it onto a skillet. We're going to do it right before we add onto the green beans. After this is brown, get it to your preferred likings. Then you can add your green beans. Okay, so after your meat is strained, go ahead and place it back into the same one that you got, your same pan. Then we're going to add our tomatoes and cilantro. Go ahead and empty it into there. Then we're going to stir it up and then mix it in there. Now we're using a variety of fresh bell peppers. You want to go ahead and have them cut. You can cut from the top, dig it out, dig all your seeds out, and you're just going to need a cup for that.
Or you can take a hole out of it.
Or take the whole out of it. And then anyways, after this, our next step will be stuffing them. What we're going to do is go ahead and add our cheese. Mozzarella cheese is what we're using.
For today.
A little bit. There's a little there. Just like that. It's a bad idea to use that.
Yeah. Looks like a 20-gauge slug went through it.
Yeah. Then it's time to add some meat. Stuff it in there. And bam. Now it's time to set it into the oven, and we're going to continue doing on the rest of these.
Top it off with cheese first and then put it in the oven.
You think topping it off with cheese will do it?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, so add some more cheese. Right on there. Pack it in. Just like Friday night. Ha! Alright. Okay, so now we've got our green beans. We've moved our bacon to the side. Now it's time to add our green beans to the pan. We're going to fry them up.
In the bacon grease.
In the bacon grease. Bacon is just so awesome. I guess. So go ahead and have your bell peppers, your stuffed bell peppers, on a pan, whatever you're using, doesn't matter. We're using a pizza pan because apparently that's all we have. And anyways, that's what it's looking like. You want to have your temperature on for 390, or go ahead and just add 400. Leave it in there for a little bit. So after about 10 minutes, level 7 on your green beans. Add in your bacon that you cooked up earlier. And mix it all up. After about 5 minutes, go ahead and take it off. Put it down in a bowl, whatever you're using. Then we will add just about a little, I'd say about 2 ounces of olive oil. Stir it in. And you're done.
And add salt to taste if you need it.
Yeah, we're going to add some salt. Alright, so about 15-20 minutes later, you want to pop them out at 400 degrees.
Take them out when you start getting this brown coloration and the wrinkles. That's how you know they're done.
Squishy. Okay. Alright, this is our dish. We have bell peppers, stuffed bell peppers, with a side of green onions and green beans and bacon. Anyway, guys, we shall see you next time. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe today for more great content, and as always, thank you for watching. We'll see you later.